Join Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
The petitioner Goa Foundation had challenged an ordinance issued by the Goa government allowing the ODPs of 2025 and 2030 for Kalangut, Kandoli, Parra, etc. to continue. Now, what we challenged the ordinance, what the court has done is three things. Firstly, it has stayed the December ODPs, that is the ODPs of 2025 and 2030 for these 5 villages, Kalangut, Kandoli, Arpura, Nagua, Para. First thing. Second thing, it has said that no further permissions will be issued based on these ODPs, and all these areas have to return to the regional plan. And third thing, it has directed the government to ensure that whatever permissions have been given, no further development will take place. So it has essentially stopped all development based on these December ODPs of 2025 and 2030 for these 5 villages, and asked them to revert to the regional plan. It has fixed the matter for final hearing and disposal in the second week of July.